With every passing day, a news story pop up about yet another LLM being built, or updates to existing ones. Is every big tech going to build their own LLM? It seems like the way things are heading to. Is LLM the new hype? Remember when every company wanted to build their own mobile phones? Will every company now have a go at building one because it's the new trend and no one want to be left behind? The competitions is definitely ramping up in this space. It has been a crazy week full of updates, but before we jump into this, let's first recap on what actually is LLM. So what is LLM anyway? LLM, or large language model, is a type of artificial intelligence, AI model, designed to generate and understand human-like language. It is trained on a massive amount of text data and use deep learning techniques to process and generate language. If you are familiar with ChatGPT or Bard or any other type currently out there, then you know it can be used for a variety of tasks, such as writing different kinds of creative content, translating languages, and answering your questions, and many more. The future of LLMs is still being written by the humans who are developing the technology, though there could be a future in which the LLMs write themselves. The first of these updates happened at Inflection. While everyone was busy with the drama at OpenAI, Inflection AI, the startup behind the Pi chatbot, has recently unveiled a new AI model, Inflection 2, claiming superior performance over popular models developed by Google and Meta. According to a recent Forbes report, this new model is rapidly gaining attention for its potential to rival OpenAI GPT-4. Inflection wasn't the only one who released a new model this week. Anthropic introduced Claude 2.1. Claude is good at taking long documents and summarizing them into shorter documents. Well, previously, it had 100,000 tokens, or context window, meaning that it was able to ingest and respond with roughly 75,000 words. Well, CLA 2.1 upped that to 200,000 tokens, translating to roughly 150,000 words, or over 500 pages of material. Google jumped in the bandwagon too and released updates to Bard. In this latest, Bard can now watch YouTube videos for you. Bard's YouTube extension can now handle complex queries about specific video content and summaries it. Amid all the chaos at OpenAI, they still managed to roll out update. They started with the rollout of new voice and image capabilities in ChatGPT. Which will you to have a voice conversation or show ChatGPT what you're talking about? Amazon is jumping in the LLM train and is reportedly training a new large language model, LLM, codenamed Olympus, to compete with AI products from OpenAI and Google. According to Reuters, the tech giant is pouring millions into this project to create a model with a staggering 2 trillion parameters. OpenAI's GPT-4, for comparison, is estimated to have around 1 trillion parameters. And of course, Elon Musk won't just be watching. Earlier this year, Musk, who co-founded OpenAI, launched his own AI company, xAI. And this week he launched Grok, its first AI model. In a tweet, he announced that it will be available next week to X Premium Plus subscribers. Of course, there are many more. While it didn't happen this week, Salesforce introduced a conditional transformer language, CutRel model, the largest publicly released language model to date. NVIDIA also recently unveiled its Megatron Turing Natural Language Generation, NLG, model, a groundbreaking innovation that is poised to transform the landscape of language interaction. The model is the marriage of two powerful technologies, Megatron, NVIDIA's massive language model, and Turing, the company's state-of-the-art GPU architecture. So with all the competition happening in the LLM space, how long will it take before LLMs are self-generating? And are we going to see AGI achieved earlier than it would have been if it has not been done already? And is AGI just another hype? We will explore that in more details in my next video. Stay tuned. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe.